Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. And in this video we're going to be going over how to download Davinci Resolve 18, which is an editing software a lot of people like to use. Now before we move on to the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell next to it so you get notified whenever I upload. And yeah, let's get right on into the video. So first of all, what you need to do is go to blackmagicdesign.com and go to this page, Davinci Resolve 18. The link to this website and this page will be in the description down below. And when you are on this page, just go ahead and scroll down till you find this Davinci Resolve 18 softwares. And then you have to click on free download now on the Davinci Resolve 18. The Davinci Resolve Studio 18 is the paid version. And just click on free version. And then as you can see, there's also Davinci Resolve 17, but we're going to download the Davinci Resolve 18 beta. Now click on Windows. Since I am on Windows 11, I'm going to go ahead and click on Windows. And as you can see, we reached this page. And yeah, we're going to fill up the information on this page and then click register and download, and we'll be right back. Alright, so I just finished filling those information and I'm now on this page. Now when you are on this page, just don't do anything unless your file doesn't start downloading automatically. As you can see, mine already started downloading. If yours doesn't start downloading, just go ahead and click over here, Davinci Resolve windows.zip, and if you click on it, it'll start downloading this file. So it'll take approximately 6 minutes for my PC to download it. So yeah, I'll just be back right after it's finished downloading. And yeah, alright, so the file just finished uploading or downloading. Yeah, the file just finished downloading, and when it's finished downloading, just go ahead and click on it. It'll open this application over here, and then just double click on it, and then you'll have to wait for just a few seconds. There we go, it started extracting. It will only take a few seconds. It will be done very quick. Now after the extraction, it will show whether or not you want this application to make changes to the device. Well, it technically doesn't really make changes to the device. It just the Windows shows it every single time you want to download anything. So it's gonna show that page for me, not for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and click yes, and then just tick everything here, or you can also leave it just like as it is. Then just go ahead and click install, and then it's just preparing to install, and there you go. Now it will take a few seconds or minutes maybe. Please wait while the setup wizard prepares you. Okay, there we go. Just a few seconds it took. Then I'll click next, and then just I accept the terms in the license agreement, and then next. And then yeah, you can just leave it as it is, and then click next again. Then just to install, just click install, and then it will take a few seconds or maybe a few minutes to install. Okay, yeah, I have to restart my computer. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and stop the recording right here, and I'll be back after I just restart my computer. Alright, so I just finished restarting my computer, and as you can see, the Davinci Resolve is downloaded. It'll automatically be in the desktop too. I just added to this folder, and now we are gonna just go ahead and open it, and as you guys can see, and give you guys a quick look inside the Davinci Resolve, inside the editing software. So it usually does take a few minutes to open. Okay, there we go. What's new? I'll just go ahead and continue. Now I'll just start. Now as you can see, the Davinci Resolve is open here, and now we just gotta press cancel here. And to be honest with you, I actually don't know how to use this. So yeah, comment down below if I'm doing this right or not, because this is the first time I'm downloading Davinci Resolve 18. I used to use Davinci Resolve 17 before. So it looks like Google Database Project Library. So I think we have to upgrade the project library. You actually don't need to, I think so. So I'm just gonna go to how to create a new project is what I'm looking for. So yeah, okay, yeah, there we go. I'm gonna create a project. I'm gonna name my project as always my project. And the location, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Or maybe I'm going to choose desktop. And yes, sell folder. Okay, there we go. This is really new for me, guys. Then I'm gonna just go ahead and click create. And yeah, there we go. Now this is as same as the Davinci Resolve 17. I am just gonna go ahead and go untitled project. And there we go. This is exactly the same. Guys, this is exactly the same. I don't know if there's any difference here. Yeah, this is exactly the same as Davinci Resolve 17. There might be some extra added stuff. I'll definitely go ahead and learn those stuff. There is a lot of new transitions, I think so, yeah. By the way, I might be making a series on how to edit videos on Davinci Resolve. Like, first video might be how to cut videos in Davinci Resolve, cut and edit it. And yeah, if you're looking forward to that, make sure to hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell next to it so you get notified whenever I upload. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.